Hey guys, Chris here from Nice Garage. Happy Easter to everybody. Hope it's a good day. We're kind of quarantined right now, so myself and my sons, we decided we're going to work on one of our new toys. And what we have here is a 2012 Silverado, 60,000 miles, rust-free. And so what we're going to do, there's my son Lucas. His channel is Nod Boy Luke. If you have any children, they're going to be making a bunch of children's videos. So first things first is I had to order me some Borla exhaust, catback. It's just a touring system. So we're gonna do an install video. My sons are gonna edit it. It'll be the first time I made like a kind of a cool video, I guess, or an edited video. So we'll see how it goes. But let's open up and see what you get in the box. We already popped the packing. Ooh, first thing I see, what is that?
A Borla hat.
Borla hat, nice. Add that to the collection. That's yours? All right. So let's get all the pipes out, get them organized, find the instructions. I won't need the instructions, but you'll need the instructions. Go ahead, set them over there. We'll set them on the cardboard and get them all out. So first things first, we're gonna remove the old exhaust. We jacked the truck up. And the old exhaust got a couple hangers. It's the first time I worked on one of this body style, so I haven't gone up to see what the connection is on the cat, but it's a pretty big muffler. I mean, I guess there's gonna be a little bit of weight savings too, but for a truck being up in the Northeast, it's pretty clean. I know some of you guys will be like, oh, there's rust, but I'll tell you what, this will be all cleaned off too, and I'm gonna get this truck that oil film sprayed. My buddy does it out of his garage. So anyway, this is the first video, or the first section of this video, and we're gonna do one video, edit it, and show the complete from start to finish. All right, guys. So on to the next step. Packages separated all the pieces. As you can see, there's the muffler, one in, dual out. This is the touring kit. It's supposed to be just slightly louder than stock. I didn't want something obnoxious because this is something my family will all be driving in. Borla is known for its no drone. I've used their kits in the past. Excellent, highly recommended. As you can see, these tips are welded on. I mean, this is a great kit, highly recommended. And no, Borla isn't paying me for this, obviously. I'm just a small time, but we ordered this from Summit Racing, shipped right from the manufacturer, and we had it in a couple days. So on to the next part.
I wanted to give you a clip on how it sounds stock, and we're about to do it.
Guys, we got the exhaust on. Took about an hour and a half tweaking it, moving it around. Wanted to be extra, wanted to make sure it looked good, sticking out. I'm gonna probably do a better review. I have a little bit, the clamp that goes between the intermediate pipe and the catalytic converter, I had to cut with a die grinder. It was all rusted, and there was no way that I was going to be able to reuse it. So I have a little bit of an exhaust leak. I didn't have one. I'm going to have to grab one. So right now I just took a couple zip ties, and I'm holding the clamp. You can see it right there. I clamped it right around there. I know it's not going to hold, but here's the intermediate connection right there. There's a gap in there, so I have to get a new one of those rounded band clamps to make that nice and tight. Other than that, that has nothing to do with Borla. Great exhaust, everything fit. Again, the way the tips go on, you can see that nice weld in there. Great, can't complain. So we'll start it up, let you hear it. Go ahead, start it. awesome. All right, guys, let me know what you think of the video. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them. Like and subscribe them. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, please. Thanks. See you on the next one.